primarily the arteries of the upper body, and then I'll have another video for the lower body as well, and another video for the actual veins. So let's discuss what we have here. So you have the ascending aorta number 5, and then when we move backwards over here, you will see on this side, right, the very first branch is the brachiocephalic trunk. The brachiocephalic trunk, when we take a look, you'll notice that it goes to the right over here. The brachiocephalic trunk then splits into the right common carotid and the right subclavian artery. The next artery that goes up is going to be this one up here, and this is called the vertebral artery, and it's a branch of the right subclavian. Now on the other side here, you'll notice that this is still the aortic arch. The next branch up goes to the left common carotid and the left subclavian. The common carotid and subclavian are going to be completely separate on the left side. Right, the left common carotid comes up. As it comes up, it splits. Right, notice as it splits, so this one right here is a little bit in front. This is the vertebral artery on the left. As we look over here on this side, you'll see the split of the common carotid into the internal carotid, which ascends up and then turns into the middle cerebral artery, which I'll show you a video of in the actual skull region. Right, so just keep in mind this internal carotid does ascend up. It will turn into a branch we call the middle cerebral. The external carotid artery moves up and it terminates up here. As it terminates up here, it turns into a number, right? Turns into number 19, right, up here, and that is your superior temporal artery. Now you do have other two branches coming off the external carotid. This is number 20, which is your ophthalmic, and then number 16, which is your facial. We will discuss later the actual circulation in the brain. We call it the circle of Willis. But what we do see here that starts it are two main branches. Right, one is that the internal carotid. The second is behind it, the vertebral artery. Now, when we look at the subclavian artery, you have the subclavian artery over here. The subclavian artery then will turn into the axillary artery, and then the brachial artery down here. The brachial artery then will turn into the ulnar, and of course the radial.